You probably was wondering why I wasn't talking. I just wanted you to take a moment to look right into the eyes of someone who once had it all and then lost it all. I'm not talking of a bad business decision or a bad month or even a simple setback. I'm talking about having it all and losing everything. But one thing I could tell you is that the lessons that I've learned from that experience has changed and shaped my life more than the success that I had during that period would have ever done. It didn't all happen at once. It was always one bad decision, then another, one reckless spend, and then the other, one frivolous purchase, and then the other, one bad business investment, and then another. Soon, everything that I had was gone. But I kept saying to myself, it's okay, Tony, you could build it back. You get it back. Never came. One thing was that it wasn't losing the money that was the issue. That wasn't the hardest bit. The hardest bit was waking up every morning, having to stare yourself down in the mirror and own it to yourself that you've become this mess you've created for yourself. No one to blame, no excuses to give, just you and the failure that you've created out of yourself. I can tell you for sure, success didn't teach me discipline, losses did. When you're good, everything's working for you, you're on top. You can actually get by just talent, or by being lucky, or by even fooling yourself that you're doing okay when you're not, just because of the safety net and the backings and the funds that you had behind you. When you hit rock bottom, you better change your ways. You either empower yourself, you skill yourself, or you change your habits and change your ways. Otherwise, you would remain the same. I think it was Seneca that said, fire is the test of adversity. Fire is the test of gold. Adversity is the test of man. I used to believe that quote. I used to read it. I used to believe it. I used to think I even understood it. I didn't. Not until I actually had a lived experience of it. Job, the Bible tells us, lost everything. Lost his family, lost his health, lost his wealth. But he kept saying to himself, the Lord giveth, the Lord taketh. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Didn't mean he wasn't angry or wasn't upset at all his losses or upset with God. But he just chose to trust God during that period. I tried to do the same. I didn't pretend that, I wasn't going through that. I didn't pretend that I had lost so much. But I trusted God to bring me through that rebuilding process, and it did. So today, I'm not really, I can't say I'm thankful for the losses, but I'm thankful for the man that I've become because of the losses. And I just want to say to you that, listen, if you're going through it now, which I know many men over 40s are, just trust God. Trust the process. The season surely would come to an end. I can tell you, success built my bank account, but it was character that built who I am now, and that brought me onto that rebuilding process where I could share my story with you. So yeah, don't be despair. Just stay true to yourself. Stay true to God. And this test will become a testimony, just like mine. If you actually feel like you can let me know what season you're in, I'm happy to read every single comment and reply to you. Happy Sunday. Until the next one. Real. Peace.